Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Your little piece of paradise awaits. This breathtaking property is set within beautiful gardens and has it all. It consists of an 8-bedroom house called Wild Arcade Manor and includes 4 self-contained 1-bedroom apartments, plus 2 bedrooms reconfigured for the elderly and disabled. It is well designed with modern finishing such as granite countertops in the kitchen, porcelain and ceramic floor tiles, a sauna area, etc. The land area of this house is 152,350 square feet. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.